Hey everyone, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. I have a couple of very quick drive-by reviews on 2 skincare products and a hair mask. So let's get started. The first product, and I will tell you, this first product was sent to me by a company that I have actually tested out products from before and have really enjoyed. And the name of the company is, and I think you pronounce it, Madeca Derma, and I will put the name of it right down here. And I'm actually going to have to put my readers on today because I cannot see small print. The first thing I'm going to show you, and I'm actually going to show you me putting this on my skin because sometimes people like to see the consistency of it, see how it gets absorbed into the skin. The first product that was sent to me was this. This is their Deep Hydration and Glossy Brightening Cream. I was attracted to this packaging color. I thought this kind of yellowish color was so pretty. This is what the cream container looks like, and the cream itself is nice and rich, and the scent of it is a very, very, very light scent. You can hardly smell it, but it's extremely clean smelling. Some of the stats on it, I believe this company, Madeca Derma, has been around since 1968, I think. This is paraben-free, mineral oil-free. It is also free of some other chemicals that I'm not going to mention here. I will list everything down in the description box. It's synthetic fragrance-free, and it is, most importantly, cruelty-free, which I am trying to really get everything as much as I can into the cruelty-free category. What this is it says it is a light texture hydrating cream, which it is. It's very lightweight. It absorbs very quickly into the skin, and it is a non-greasy formula. It's supposed to give your skin a very hydrated look and kind of a glossy, young-looking look to it. I know as I've gotten older, my skin does feel sometimes dull. I mean, it just does. And I think that happens to a lot of mature women. This is supposed to give you deep hydration, and it's supposed to give you a very glossy, brightening look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut to me putting this on my skin, and you can see what it looks like. And I love the yellow containers. I think they're so kind of cheery and happy and pretty. This is a deep hydrating cream that is not heavy, but it's supposed to give your skin kind of a glossy, brightening look. The scent of these products is so nice. It smells mildly fruity without being kind of a sickly sweet smell. It smells very spa-like and clean. The smell of their products is so, so nice. I can put this squeeze hydrating cream on my skin before makeup, and you can see it really does make my skin look so hydrated. It feels so good. It soaks in to my skin. These are a Korean brand, and I really love them. Okay, so now for the second product. This product was also sent to me from Madeca Derma, and what this is this is their enriched hydration and gentle exfoliating squeeze toning pads. Some of the stats on this are paraben-free, mineral oil-free, free of synthetic fragrance, and also cruelty-free. These are supposed to be toning pads with fruit and also plants containing AHA and BHA that are going to gently exfoliate your skin, get all the dead skin cells off, make your skin look smoother and hydrated, and make the texture of your skin look more even. It contains prickly pear cactus extract and carica papaya extract that's supposed to help to reduce dead skin and make the skin look clearer and more hydrated. It also contains something called a Vita Squeeze Complex that contains intense hydration of fruits and plants, and it's going to help make your skin look clearer and brighter. I do really like this company. I think I had gotten a gel cleanser from them that I absolutely fell in love with. I usually don't like gel cleansers, but their gel cleanser was so nice. These pads are supposed to be very hydrating and give you a gentle exfoliation. Now my face is already clean. I've done many reviews on exfoliating pads before, and some I like, some I don't like. These I really do like, and I will tell you why. They have a waffle surface, so you do feel like you are getting a little bit of exfoliation on your skin. But the thing I like about them the most is I have used exfoliating pads like this before, and they either have left my skin feeling very sticky afterwards that I felt like I have to rewash my face, or they burn. These don't do either. These do a nice job of taking off any surface dead skin cells I have, and I can put my makeup on right after this and I don't feel like I have a sticky surface on my skin. But it did do a great job of kind of making my skin smoother for application of my makeup. These are made with, as I said previously, AHA and BHA, and that is going to gently exfoliate your skin. And I also like that they come with this top that once you open, you can really seal it back up nicely by putting this top in there, and then the tongs are right in here, and you can use those to get those out. I'm kind of lazy and I just do it with my fingers. And the last thing I'm going to show you is another product that was sent to me for my hair, and the name of the company is a company I have never heard of before. I believe you pronounce it Remilia, and what they sent me was their hair mask, and the name of the hair mask is, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is their green cocoa hair mask, and this is supposed to be clinically proven to boost hair's shine, supposed to make your hair more manageable, supposed to improve your hair's long-term health and restore dry, brittled, colored, over-processed hair into shiny, healthier hair. This mask is good for all hair types. It is 100% vegan and 100% cruelty-free. Their packaging is 100% recyclable, so they are eco-friendly. Okay, so this is my hair after using the mask the night before. It does a really nice job of moisturizing my hair, but I'm still able to curl it, and I've noticed definitely a little bit less fuzz. It is a nice mask, and I really kind of like the fact that it didn't weigh my hair down the next day. I'm able to style it. My hair doesn't feel greasy. It definitely has taken away a lot of the fuzzy flyaway look to my hair. My hair, before I started really concentrating on taking care of it, looked so bad. I mean, the ends were so dry. I've been alternating, not shampooing my hair every day as a way to kind of help it, which has definitely helped my hair a lot. And I've used a lot of hair oils and hair masks on my hair. Nice mask, Remilia, I think that's how you pronounce it. Green cocoa hair mask definitely does help reduce the frizz. Have noticed that. And then it says it strengthens hair and increases shine. I mean, my hair normally is pretty shiny. It's a nice mask. If you want to read a little bit more about this, I will leave a link for this down in my description box. I love the ingredients they have in this: coconut oil, green tea extract, and avocado oil. I love the scent of it, and I like the little cork top it has. So the other thing that was sent to me from this company is called the Cosmo Cap, and these are little ampules that you twist. What's in this little ampule is a lightweight keratin treatment, and it's again designed to help to transform dry, damaged hair into shiny, healthier hair. The serum in these ampules are supposed to help increase the shine, help to reduce frizz, help to prevent breakage, and generally overall make your hair stronger and healthier. I believe it also doubles as a UV heat protectant. I'm pretty sure that's what I read about it. So the way these work are, what I do is I shampooed my hair, I towel dried it, I popped open one of these ampules. I really focused the serum mainly on the ends of my my hair, and I kind of brought it up just halfway, keeping it away from my scalp. It is the next morning, and last night I used one of these Remilia hair, the Cosmo Cap Daily Hair Serum on my hair. What I can say is, yes, it definitely, I feel, has made my hair silkier and less frizzy. It did make my hair look really nice. Oh wow, yes, really great the next day and bouncy. I hope you enjoyed seeing these drive-by reviews on these 3 products. Take care, guys. I will leave the information for all these products down in my description box. Bye-bye from Marla.